What's up guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to add sound effects to ranking videos. So first off, adding sound effects to your ranking videos dramatically improves the transformation in your videos because you want your ranking videos to be as transformative as possible, and adding sound effects and other different effects helps your video become more transformative and also more original. So a common sound effect that is used in almost every ranking video, and most of the ranking channels they use it, is the Vine boom. I'm sure everybody has heard of this sound before. Yeah, I'm sure you've heard that before. You know, that's in almost every video. So this is like one of the funniest sound effects, and it's used a lot in many channels. I have it for my channel as well, because it's just a funny sound effect, and this makes your video way funnier and also makes the audience laugh even more because it heightens and emphasizes the humorous or comical moment. So that's where you want to use it in your video, where you're highlighting the comical moment. So for this video right here, we're gonna add it right here. So I'm gonna show you it before I add it. I'm gonna show you the clip.
Better go get a fresh cut. Yes, sir.
So I'm gonna add it right after he gets his haircut because he's not happy about it. So it's a before and after moment. So that's why it's gonna hit harder, because I'm showing the before and after effect, and I'm emphasizing the moment afterwards when he's not happy about it, when he gets the haircut that he didn't want. So let's play it.
Sir. Better go get a fresh cut. Yes, sir. I told my barber, bitch, have to talk, please.
You see that? So you see how it just automatically improved the comedy in the video by just adding another layer to it, so it can help the audience understand where the humor is.
Better go get a fresh cut. Yes, sir. I told my barber, bitch, have to talk, please.
So that's what you want to do with each clip that you're using. You want to find the humorous moments. You want to find the comical moments, you know, and use the sound effect to where the funny moment is. And you want to just emphasize that moment. So that's what you want to do. And there's other sound effects that you can use. You know, there's cartoon sound effects and different sound effects, just depending on, you know, the type of clip. But for this example and for this video, we're using the Vine boom, and everyone uses the Vine boom as well because it's just a common dramatic funny sound effect. So that's essentially how to add the sound effect to your ranking video, and you could find these sound effects anywhere. You just find it and then you import it to your editing software, and then you drag it here onto the timeline, and then boom. So guys, if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thank you guys for watching.